Imagine you are on a journey across the cosmos, traveling faster than light, a silent observer in a ship of thought. Galaxies spin like celestial pinwheels, nebulae bloom in vibrant clouds, and clusters of galaxies glitter like island chains in an endless ocean. But as you travel deeper, the density of galaxies begins to thin. The cosmic web frays at the edges, and a quiet chill settles in. Before you lies a chasm of absolute blackness, an emptiness so vast it feels like a wound in reality. You have arrived at the Boötes Void, the Great Nothing. Its scale is impossible to comprehend, a hole in the universe stretching for millions of light years. All familiar sights vanish. No galaxies, no nebulae, no distant quasars. There is only darkness, an ancient, silent, watchful darkness. The silence is overwhelming, louder than anything you've ever heard. Here, the universe seems to have forgotten to exist. The Great Nothing awaits, silent and eternal. The Boötes Void is a supervoid, one of the largest empty regions ever found in the universe. It spans nearly 330 million light-years in diameter, dwarfing our Milky Way thousands of times over. If our galaxy were at its center, we might never have known other galaxies existed. Light from one side to the other would take longer than the history of complex life on Earth. This void represents a significant chunk of the observable universe, yet it is almost entirely vacant. Our models of the cosmos struggle to explain how such a massive region could be so empty. The universe is supposed to be relatively uniform on the largest scales, but the Boötes Void defies this expectation. It is a glaring exception, a place where the standard blueprint for the cosmos seems to have been thrown away. The Great Nothing is not just an anomaly. It is a profound mystery. It forces us to question our understanding of cosmic structure. Why does such emptiness exist at all? Every great discovery has its pioneer. For the Boötes Void, that was astronomer Robert Kirshner. In 1981, Kirshner and his team mapped galaxies in 3 dimensions, measuring their redshifts. They expected a steady distribution of galaxies, but instead found a gaping hole in their data. At first, they suspected an error, but repeated surveys confirmed the emptiness. Their discovery was met with disbelief. Such a vast void should not exist. In their paper, they wrote, "If the Great Wall is the something, then the void is the nothing." The Boötes Void forced scientists to rethink how matter clumps together in the universe. It revealed that the cosmos is not just a uniform soup, but more like cosmic Swiss cheese, full of holes. Kirshner's work opened a new field in cosmology, showing that the universe is still full of surprises. The Boötes Void became the biggest of these holes, a true giant that defied easy explanation. It reminded us that the universe is always ready to challenge our assumptions. There is always a new darkness to explore. To grasp the strangeness of the Boötes Void, consider the numbers. A region this size should contain about 2,000 galaxies, but only about 60 have been found. It's like searching all of North America and finding only a few small villages. The difference between expectation and reality is staggering, a statistical anomaly of cosmic proportions. The galaxies that do exist are arranged in a strange, tube-like structure, not in clusters or filaments. They are lonely islands of light in an overwhelming ocean of darkness. This emptiness forces us to confront the nature of our own existence. We live in a crowded, star-filled corner of the universe, but the Boötes Void shows that emptiness is possible. It is a humbling realization. Our bright, star-filled sky is not a universal guarantee. The Great Nothing is a silent counterpoint to the vibrant life of our own cosmic home. It reminds us how precious our place in the universe truly is. The void is a cosmic desert, vast, silent and mysterious. The few galaxies in the Boötes Void are some of the most isolated in the universe. Their nearest neighbors are millions of light years away, shaping their evolution in unique ways. Most are spirals or irregulars, forming stars more actively than galaxies in crowded clusters. Their isolation may be the reason for their vibrancy, free from disruptive collisions. These galaxies form a faint filament through the void, a remnant of cosmic structure. Each is a message in a bottle, offering clues to the void's history. They are the lonely sentinels of the great nothing, their faint light a testament to survival in emptiness. By studying them, we hope to unravel the story of how this vast emptiness came to be. How does a hole this vast form? One leading theory is that the Boötes Void is the result of merging smaller voids. In the early universe, gravity pulled matter into filaments, leaving behind empty spaces, voids. Over time, these voids merged, like soap bubbles combining into a larger bubble. Their combined gravity pushed matter away, sweeping the region clean. The few galaxies we see are survivors, left behind as the voids grew. This theory fits our models of cosmic structure. Voids can move, grow, and merge. The Boötes Void is not a wound, but a scar from the universe's chaotic construction. It is a natural, if spectacular, feature of the cosmos. Science prefers simple explanations, but the Boötes Void scale has inspired wilder ideas. What if the emptiness is artificial? Could a super-advanced civilization have created it? The Kardashev scale imagines civilizations harnessing the energy of planets, stars, or even entire galaxies. A Type III. Civilization could build Dyson Spheres around every star, harvesting all their light. From the outside, these stars would vanish, hidden behind megastructures. Could the Boötes Void be the result of such cosmic engineering? The 60 galaxies we see might be those left untouched or still in the process of being consumed. It's a chilling thought, the great nothing as the most occupied place in the universe, home to a silent, invisible empire. The void could be a monument to unimaginable power, or perhaps it is simply the universe's way of reminding us how little we truly know. The mystery endures. There's an even darker idea, the dark forest hypothesis, inspired by science fiction. The universe is like a dark forest, filled with silent hunters, civilizations hiding from each other. In this scenario, survival means staying quiet. Any signal could attract a hostile force. The silence we hear from the cosmos may be deliberate, not accidental. What if a civilization in the Boötes Void revealed itself, only to be wiped out by a more advanced predator? The void could be a cosmic graveyard, a region cleansed to eliminate potential threats. The 60 remaining galaxies might be all that's left of a once thriving neighborhood. In this view, the Great Nothing is a scar left by unimaginable violence. It is a warning, written in darkness across the heavens. The silence is not absence, but fear. The void asks, who or what is hiding in the dark? The Boötes Void confronts us with a silence that is both profound and unsettling. Whether it's a natural artifact, the work of a godlike civilization, or the scar of a cosmic war, its existence changes our place in the universe. It reminds us that emptiness on this scale is real, not just possible. Our existence is a precious anomaly in a universe where nothingness can reign. The mystery of the void drives our curiosity. We peer deeper, searching for answers. Each lonely galaxy is a clue, each silence a question. Are we looking at a cradle of nature or the tomb of an empire? The Boötes Void is a cosmic mirror reflecting our deepest hopes and fears. As we search for our place in the universe, the Great Nothing looks back, and it asks, are you alone in the light? or is something else watching from the dark?